Habang nagtuturo si Sir Grant, biglang may pumasok ng group of 4 girls. They showed no signs of respect to the teacher, not even bothering to tell him on why they are late.
Why are you guys late?
Because I want to. Why do you care?
Just go to your seat.
Tigilan natin may friendship.
Matter is something that occupies space and has mass. True or false? Yuan.
False!
Mali.
Ha! Di na alam! Ay, Sir Axel ako!
Sige.
O true!
Tama.
O tignan mo, di mo yan kaya, ang dali-dali. Mali!
Akala ni Yuan na ang pagmanlilate sa kanya ng kanyang best friend na si Alex ay isa lamang phase dahil gusto ni Alex magkaroon siya ng good first impression dun sa Mean Girls. Ngunit nalaman ni Yuan na simula doon i-isolate na siya ng kanyang kaibigan. Dahil sa sudden na pang-isolate ni Alex sa kanya, si Yuan ay nalungkot at na-depress.
But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell about
After suddenly being isolated by his friend of 5 years, anger, sadness, and depression consumed him, causing him to choose a decision that will forever change his life. A few days later, after the incident, in the computer lab, Yuan was walking until he saw someone he never thought he would see again. Alex was forever gone, but Yuan still looked for her until he felt heavy breathing. He felt his pulses, and suddenly he fell down.
Magturo ka! Like, diba? Dito ka.
At dito na nagtatapos ang kwento ni Yuan at ng kanyang mga desisyon sa kanyang buhay. Ang dignidad ay ang likas na halaga ng bawat tao na nagbibigay sa kanya ng karapatang tratuhin ng may respeto. Ang isip ay ang kakayahan ng taong mag-isip, umunawa, magpasya at alamin ang katotohanan. Ang kilos loob ay ang pakultad o kakayahan ng taong pumili magpasya at gumustong gawin ang isang bagay batay sa dictates ng kanyang isip.